Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize response to IRS Notice Letter 3179, Beginner Guide Step by Step clearly. Start by identifying the IRS Notice Letter 3179 in your mailbox. This letter typically informs you of an outstanding balance or tax obligation. Open the letter carefully and read it in full. Make note of the action required. Gather all relevant tax documents for the tax year in question. Confirm your identity with the IRS by including your Social Security number or employer identification number. Determine the specific issues cited in the letter. If you disagree with the claim, you'll need to provide evidence supporting your position. If you intend to pay the balance, review the payment options provided. Prepare a written response that addresses the IRS's assertions. Be clear and concise in your communication. Include your contact information at the top of the letter. Add the date of your response. Attach copies of any supporting documentation. Do not send original documents as they will not be returned. If necessary, calculate any interest or penalties related to the balance. Double-check your response for accuracy and completeness. Mail your response to the address provided in the letter. Consider using a certified mail service for tracking. Allow the IRS some time to process your response. Follow up if you do not receive a response within 6 weeks. Keep a copy of everything you send for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.